Y'all cannot tell me this wig is not tea. Like, the synthetic wig gods have really been smiling down on me lately. And if you want to see how I installed this wig, make sure to keep watching. And of course, while you're here, subscribe to my channel. Now, this video is long overdue, especially since I installed this wig months ago, but your girl has been busy, my bad. This is Sensationnel's Water Deep Wig in the color Balayage Hazelnut. Let me know if you guys are into colored wigs or if you're like a 1B, 1 girly. I personally like 1B, but that's only because I feel like the color placement is really important when it comes to synthetic wigs, and not many websites do that for you. This is what the wig looks like out of the pack. The lace is definitely giving scalp. There isn't much parting on the side, but it is ear-to-ear lace. It has some baby hairs as well, and I think it might have been pre-plucked, but don't hold me to that. If you're new to this channel, I'll let you know it's very rare for me not to customize a wig. It could have been less than a centimeter, a millimeter of lace, and I'm still gonna be like, can I pluck it? And of course, we're going for a widow's peak every time. I know some people use holding spray on their edges, but I find that edge control is a lot less harsh, and to me, it lays a lot better. In some sense, I kind of feel like it's moisturizing as well, but that's just me. Now, she was giving scalp before, but after a little makeup on the part, it's looking even better. And this lace, y'all, so thin. I know, you guys are sick and tired of the bald cap, but I am a firm believer in if it's not broke, don't fix it, okay? I've definitely gotten lazy with it over the last few years, but this really is my go-to for any install. It just works. I don't know. I used even lace spray to melt the wig down, cleaned up any excess with rubbing alcohol, and tied it up with an elastic band. I'm not a huge fan of the spray just because the consistency is like spritz and it takes longer to dry, but it gets the job done. Now, I like the curls on the wig, but you can kind of tell that they're different curl patterns on the top versus the bottom. Y'all, the gasp I gasped when my wig lifted, because I beg your finest pardon, I don't even understand how that happened, but I fixed it. Next time I get this wig, I'm definitely going to make sure not to hot comb it like this. I knew better, but I think I just got a little excited that it looked so good. I forgot to use the back of the hot comb instead of the teeth of it, because the teeth is gonna make it really lay down flat. The back is just gonna press it down but still hold the curl. So definitely don't do that if you get this wig, but overall it still looks good. And that's pretty much it for this wig, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You know what's really bizarre? I put darker foundation under the wig cap. So usually, you know, you do that because, you know, when you put makeup on or whatever, it, like the shade is, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. But I've been finding that even when I put the darker under it, I still have to put like a color that's close to my skin tone on top of that to really make it all work, make sense. That's bizarre to me, because why am I putting 5 different colors on this motherfucker wig to get my color? I don't understand. I also heard a hack about putting bronzer on under it, which is what I did initially, but I feel like that didn't do anything. But also this bronzer is, I mean, it's a little darker than me, but it's shimmery, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Y'all, I absolutely love this wig. This is so cute. I am very, very tempted to cut her. I feel like if I start cutting, it's just gonna be a thing. But like, how cute would this be just here? Like, it would be so cute. I'm cutting her. The pros on this wig, super cute. Plucked really easily. The lace is enough lace to really do a widow's peak. For some reason, I always do the widow's peak, and sometimes it looks really good. Sometimes it just doesn't come out like it should. I don't know if you can really tell that I did a widow's peak, but it's definitely better than a straight, you know, hairline. The hair is not itchy at all, because that's a thing now. I don't know why, but that's a thing for me. Hair be itchy. Curly hair be itching the fuck out of me, okay? But this is not itchy. It's very soft, super lightweight, even though it looks full. Let me turn to the back. Love the color. Love the color. This color is so cute. I was worried that it wasn't gonna look right on me, but this is really cute. Like, I plucked it and the hair isn't like looking tangled or like dry. You know, sometimes you pluck synthetic curly wigs and you could mess it up real quick, like real quick. There was a couple times I was like, not too much. not too much, but we got where we need to get, and I feel like it looks so good. Now the cons, I feel like they could have layered this wig a lot better. It's very top heavy, and then it just fizzles out. Let me scooch up a little bit. Very top heavy, and then it fizzles out at the end, which is kind of why I want to cut it. I feel like if I cut it here, then it'd look a lot fuller. You can kind of see, like, even when I grasp it, like, this is a little bit of hair, but when I grab up here, this is a good amount. Give us just a hair's, just a little bit more on the sides. Like, you can't even pluck the sides too much, and I've really been trying to perfect my synthetic wig install routine to really make it give, you know, realistic. Instead of it looking synthetic, it looks like a human hair wig, right? But y'all give us this much, pardon space, this much, and then part of it be edges. Half of it be edges, truthfully. And I have really been feeling the no baby hair look. Like, the no baby hair look on a synthetic wig, I didn't think this was gonna be a thing. I remember saying I wasn't gonna do that when it came to regular wigs. But here I am, no baby hair down, and I love it here. Like, it's less work, it's less maintenance, it's just less to do. Now, would I necessarily wear this hair back? I don't think so, because even though I plucked, it just seems like I didn't pluck, and I feel like if I go in and pluck more, then you're just gonna see the cap. You're gonna see the track, and I don't want that for us. I don't want that for any of us, okay? Truthfully, Sensational's been on it lately. Like, all the wigs I've been getting from Sensational has been winner chicken dinner. Like, they are really stepping up their game. I don't know where the other brands are at, but they need to step it up too. We need to get on Sensational's level, because ain't no way. Actually, I'm lying. I had a Bobby Boss wig that was pretty good, but Sensational is like, you know, it's like bar for bar. That's what it's giving with Sensational. It's like every time it hits, every time. I'm not gonna hold you. I kind of want to comb her out, but I know that is a problem waiting to happen. I know it for a 50 fact. It's the way you act. Like, yeah, I always want to comb out something. Like, girl, leave it alone. It's fine. I just want to see if it gets big, like how big it gets. But maybe I'll wait till it gets a little older. I don't know. Or maybe you want to cut it. I'll like play with it a little bit, or comb out whatever I cut. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, before you leave, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Thumbs up this video if you like what you see, and of course, share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, co-workers, all the people. Share it with them, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.